Autoclave maintenance is important, and there are a lot of intricate steps involved to ensure your autoclave's longevity. Here at Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, we understand that better than anyone, so we'll show you how we perform one of the maintenance steps for the Statim G4 5000. Specifically, we'll go over how we remove and replace the Statim G4 5000 top cover, and we have Ian here to walk you through it.
Next thing we're going to do, there's 7 screws that hold this top cover on. There are 3 in the back. The one located right here in the center of this bracket, the bracket will come off with it. And there are 2 on either side. Once you have all 7 screws removed, what we're going to do is you want to make sure you have room on the left side of the unit. I'm going to remove my stat mat. And I'm going to bring the front legs to the edge of the counter. What that does, that allows for that front to tip up. Grabbing on the back of the unit, I'm going to lift up and slide the entire top cover forward. Once you feel it clear, you can roll this top cover off to the side. You always want to make sure you're unplugged when you're doing this. You have a couple of ribbon cables depending on the year of your unit, on how they are set up. This one does have a power supply board, so I'm going to unplug our logic board from the main board. Once my ribbon cable is unplugged from the main board, I'm going to follow back where the power supply board logs in, and I'm going to unplug that as well. That will free up my top cover to be moved to the side. Next, what we're going to do is put our cover back on. Again, you want to make sure you have space to the left of the unit. I'm going to take the top cover and set it on its side next to the unit. As you can see, I'm going to replug in our ribbon cable from here. That will just snap into place. This particular unit does have what's called a power supply board, which is right here up front. That power supply board is located there. It'll plug in on the back side of your logic board, and there is a bracket where that will snap into place. Wherever that might be. There it is. That keeps those wires out of your way. If I was putting this back together for good, I would turn the power on, make sure that the screen works. However, for demonstration purposes, I'm not. Next, what we're going to do is roll the cover back over the front, just like so. Should be at about that angle. And we're going to simply walk this back on. Again, you want to make sure that this unit is unplugged whenever you are taking the cover on and off. The ribbon cables can get caught, and it should slide into place. You want to be about that angle. Make sure you clear the back, and the whole thing will snap into place. On the back here, we have our biofilter bracket with the single screw. I usually like to start with this middle one because that one there is no play in. You might have to move the cover one side. We have 4 more screws that hold this unit on. 7 total. Sometimes these will be a little out of adjustment. You might have to push down on the top to get that to seat down correctly.
If you have any questions about the Statim G4 5000 or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.